Welcome back. In this video, I will show you the top 5 AI tools every developer needs to know in 2025. The first of them is Cursor AI. Cursor is the AI code editor that helps you write code with AI and makes your development journey extraordinarily productive as told by Cursor. I like three cool features about Cursor. The first one is the code completion, and you can see on the screen it suggests a line of code and you can hit a tab if you like it and it will complete it. So it really speed up your development. I really like it, and it's almost accurate every time. And then the second feature we have is the right. You can see on the right there is a chat. Here you can add files to the context and then you can hit enter a prompt and it will give you a response, and you can see it has edited some lines of codes, and you in the green you can see it. You can either accept it or reject it, and you can also modify that. It's very powerful. Even you can create files with it, you can write code with that. Even you can implement an entire feature that is written in 3 4 files. So it's really amazing. The third feature I like is that you can select some lines of code and you can add a prompt, hit enter, and it will update the code. So that's also amazing if you want to give context of just like few lines of code. Like there's a function and you want to change that, you can just select the lines of the function and uh, hit enter a query and it will help you with that. So that's really amazing. I'm using it already from like 3 4 months and it's saving me lots of time. The second AI tool is Stitch AI. It helps you design beautiful interfaces with the help of AI. Here you can enter a prompt, you can describe your design, and this AI will help you generate a beautiful design. From down below you can select mobile or web. It depends on the interface that you need. So I need a mobile app screen. For that I will give it some instruction like design me a beautiful UI UX app screen that lets users exchange text messages and audio messages. So I've given the instruction, it will design me a screen. So I will tap on generate design. I can also give it some picture to take motivation from, but it's supported in experimental mode, and that's something that we won't use. We are okay with that, but you can also do that. So I will tap on this button and it will start generating the design. And now Stitch AI is designing the UI UX for my screen. Let's wait for it. My screen is ready now. You can see the UI UX of the screen. It's really simple and amazing. You can see I like these kind of simple UIs. You can see it's a simple back button, the title and center. You can also do video call, and you can see we have the time being added here. You can see two people are exchanging messages, and the interface is really clean and intuitive for users. Similarly, here you can see you can enter messages from here, and here's your profile avatar who is going to be sending the messages. Then you can also select a picture and audio as well to exchange these messages. And from here you can also edit this design when you tap on the edit, or you can also describe your design here in this chat box in order to improve it so that it is as per your requirements and needs. Similarly, you can also copy this design to Figma directly. So this is really amazing. I use it a lot. It really helps us, and it helps us refine our design. It really helps us craft some beautiful UI UX design. The third tool is ChatGPT. Now you must be thinking that everybody knows about it, but everybody doesn't know about the real powers of ChatGPT. Those things in which ChatGPT exceeds the others, Claude, and similarly Gemini, DeepSeek, etc. ChatGPT is very good at understanding the query and also giving solutions or responses to complex scenarios. So whenever it comes to complex scenarios, ChatGPT will give you the better and tailored response. So I had this problem statement which was to filter. I had an app where a user should see all the users of the app that are in 100-meter radius close to him. So that was the use case. So I was thinking of finding some mathematical formula or like finding some theorem to help get this all the people's locations in that area. So I gave it to Cloud AI, I gave it to Gemini, and I gave it to ChatGPT. So Cloud generated some decorated code, but that wasn't worth it, and it didn't solve my problem. It used lots of legacy packages and that were not working with my version of the technology I was using. And then I gave it to ChatGPT. It understood the problem statement well, and it gave me a solution that was a lot easier, and it was written in less lines of code. And it wasn't that much dependent on these plugins. You can see we have this simple methods to get user location, similarly store user location, and then fetch nearby users in 100-meter radius. But it's really simple and very less lines of code. So when it comes to complex scenarios, so ChatGPT really exceeds there. And when you need like code that is more decorated, and you need lots of code, like you want to design the screen and everything in one go, so a cloud can help in that scenario. So it is more tailored to writing code, and ChatGPT is tailored to like solving these complex problems. And one more thing that you can use ChatGPT, and I use it for, is product research. Whenever I'm implementing an app idea, so I do lots of research with ChatGPT. I ask it for the idea, is it worth it or not? How are people going to use it? I also use ChatGPT to improve the UI UX of my app. Like I've designed a UI, I upload the screen, and I ask ChatGPT to find all those UI components that can be improved to offer the best UI UX. So there are lots of things that ChatGPT exceeds at, and I use it a lot as a developer. The fourth tool is going to be Manus AI. Well, we have used the tools that performs better in some use cases, but now here we have the Manus AI, your all-in-one AI tool that helps you perform complex things in one place. Like it can build you an app idea from ideation to successful deployment of the app. It can give you the plan, it can give you the research, it can write code, and it can deploy your app. So it's your all-in-one solution. So now we are to Manus here. It can say you can get started with a playbook like information research and all those things. You can try it. Similarly, you can also discover lots of things. It says Squid Game season 3 plot explained in 5 minutes, and you can see it's a comprehensive thing. It performs it do all the research for you and gives you explain it to you. And similarly, you can create a side by side chart for every testing result. So let's see the replay. It's a very complex task that it can perform for you. So let's view the replay. And it's something that helps you do the things that the others can't, because it relies on lots of research. And here you can see that's a sample prompt that has been given to it, and it has created proper A/B testing result for variant A and variant B. So that's a simple task it can do. You can ask it to like give me an idea in the social media space that is worth investing. Like it offers some different value from the others, so it can give you entire ideas based on research from like tens of articles. So it can help you find ideas, it can help you define your idea, it can help you execute it can give you a plan, and then it can execute the plan. So this is your all-in-one solution to build an idea from scratch and to the life. Last tool, and my favorite one, Lovable. Lovable helps you create entire apps and website by just chatting with AI. Have you thought of a scenario when you have some product idea that you want to validate real quick? Building and the app and validating the idea is like time consuming and very resourceful process. So what if there's a tool that helps you bring your idea to reality in minutes, and you can validate your idea and later on build an entire startup on that? So here is when Lovable comes to play and helps you with that. Lovable can convert your idea into reality real quick so that you can validate it faster, and then you can build an entire startup upon it. Later on you can build it. So I think that's a very life-saving thing for entrepreneurs. So I will ask it to help me build a style app just for swiping cards, and let's see what it gives. It's creating this beautiful website for me, and you can see it's editing the index.css file for adding the styling. And here we go. You can see it has built us Tinder style swiping cards. And we have this website ready. And let's test it out. So I will swipe it. You can see it's been swiped. And I have passed. It's a match. You can see I can like do it from here. I can like make it favorite and all that thing. Reset stack. You can see it has built us this beautiful website just from a single prompt. It has used 5 tools, and you can see it has done a lot of work. Also, you can sync it to your GitHub. You can also integrate the Supabase, which is for the backend. So you can build the full stack app here in Lovable. But what I use it for is to validate product ideas. I give it an idea and I create an MVP for that, so that user can test it and validate it. And once it's the idea is validated, I go for the development. So it's really helped a lot. I hope you enjoyed the content. So these are the top 5 AI tools that every developer needs to know. If you like the content, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.